So this is Matt. Matt's just had his T6 204 4Motion tuned on dyno, first one of the Leighton van's dyno. So we came out at 249.8 brake horsepower and also had DSG gearbox remapped. So we're just gonna head out and see what Matt thinks of it.
Yeah, it certainly picks up better, like it's in fifth now, and yeah, just a little touch at the accelerator and it's away. Trying sport in a minute, see how that goes. You can tell it's definitely a lot nicer to drive, like it picks up a lot easier, it gets going, you're not having to wait around for it to think about stuff, which is a nice bonus. Without sounding like it was like revving too high, if that makes sense.
Yeah.
It seemed a lot more like appropriate, like for the speed you're at. It wasn't like, it seemed like before, where it was mapped in sport mode, it sounded like you were always in too high a rev band than what you should be in. Whereas at minute, it seems like it's at the right point for acceleration and getting going, rather than having to be like revving way too high. You know, like even there when you're in just normal drive and it was on in seventh, you could even just a little touch just gets it going that much quicker without having to wait or for it to drop down